Welcome to the world of culinary mastery. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the fascinating role of a chef butcher or boucher. In this video, we'll explore the definition and detailed responsibilities of this specialized culinary profession. A chef butcher is the sculptor of the culinary world, transforming cuts of meat into culinary masterpieces. They're the artists who ensure every piece of meat is prepared to perfection. Their knife skills are unparalleled. With precision and expertise, they break down whole animals into cuts tailored for various dishes, utilizing every part with finesse. Butcher chefs meticulously select and prepare the finest meats, ensuring quality and flavor. They understand the nuances of meat, from marbling to aging, and how it impacts the final dish. A chef butcher's work extends to the plate, where they create dishes that showcase the essence of each cut. Beyond cuts and chops, they infuse artistry into their craft. Now let's get into the detailed job description presentation. Job title: Chef Butcher. Place of work: Butcher shop. Scope and general. Purpose of job: the chef butcher requires a good knowledge and experience in his field of activities. He is in charge of the entire preparation of meat, poultry, and seafood products, and as such is directly responsible to maintain a smooth flow of his operation. He ensures that portion size, quality of meat, poultry, and fish are in strict compliance with predetermined specifications. He has leadership qualities, organizational talents, and administrates his department well. Responsible to: Executive Chef, Commissary Chef. Responsible for: Commis and Apprentice. Main duties: 1. To ensure that the department's operational budget is strictly adhered to and that all costs are strictly controlled. 2. To keep the required standards as well as the expected profitability of the food and beverage department in mind with every decision he will take during his employment. 3. To be perpetually profit-oriented without sacrificing established standard. 4. To report to executive chef and carries out instruction given. 5. Cooperates with all outlet chefs and material staffs. 6. To monitor closely the requirements in his section. Orders the food items at the right time and in the right quantity for the intended use. Seven, to assure a constant supply in quality and quantity to all food outlets, an example, employee restaurants, and banquet section. 8, to observe closely during the daily work assigned staff and assures that given guidelines are followed. In case of deviations, he will take corrective measures immediately. 9. To work shift or split duty, depending on the needs of the business. 10. To ensure personal knowledge of the market quantities available, standard of foods, and seasonal market trends. 11. To check incoming food items, ensures that all food merchandise is in accordance with order sheets and receiving records. Transfers them to the appropriate section of the kitchen. 12. Controls waste and losses and keeps them to a minimum. 13. To check daily all storage areas and maintains a high level of hygiene in all areas. 14. To assume orderly handling of all raw products and checks that quantities prepared are according to recipes and specifications. 15. To supervise and prepares daily mise en place and assures that all sections are ready for service. 16. To coordinates with all satellite kitchens, mise en place supplies. 17. To ensure and maintain kitchen at a high level cleanliness at all time. 18. To maintain record pertaining to item purchased, cost, delivery, product quantity, and inventory level. 19. To prepare storeroom requisitions well in advance in accordance with the necessary requirements. Request and control all items from interrelated departments, an example, butcher, pastry bakery, and commissary dry goods store. 20. To cooperate closely with outlet chef de cuisine for special event or food promotions. 21. To report and ensure the correct handling and basic maintenance of machinery and tools in the preparation kitchen. 22. To conduct monthly, weekly, or daily staff meetings in order to ensure proper communication. 23. To keep aware of all kitchen employees of basic food cost. 24. To attend all meetings as required by executive management. 25. To prepare and participate in the monthly shrinkage report. Other duties. 1. To report for duty punctually wearing the correct uniform and name badge at all times. 2. To provide a courteous and professional service at all times. 3. To maintain good working relationships with your own colleagues and all other departments. 4. To have a complete understanding of and adhere to the hotel's policy relating to fire, hygiene, health, and safety. 5. To maintain a high standard of personal appearance and hygiene at all times. 6. To carry out any other reasonable duties and responsibilities as assigned. 7. To attend all training sessions or programs that are requested by the hotel's management. And there you have it. The world of a chef butcher, where precision, expertise, and artistry come together in the pursuit of culinary perfection. If you found this exploration of the chef butcher's world as fascinating as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more culinary insights.